Hello and welcome to the Music Box series, where we look at some of the wonderful gifts that composers of the past have left to us. What's in the music box today? This is music by the great English composer William Byrd, and in this video I'll be talking about a piece called Lady Nevell's Ground. This is the first piece in a book commissioned by the Nevell family in 1591, and it contains works which were probably composed over the previous 20 years. A ground is a repeating chord pattern that can make a framework for improvisation. This ground begins with an A major chord going to a D chord, and that happens 4 times. Now that D chord goes to a G chord, again 4 times. At this point, the frequency of chord changes, or harmonic rhythm, speeds up and pushes toward the end of the ground. You can hear how the first part lulls the ear and the second part sounds more active. When a piece is written in triple rhythm and the beats are divided in half, the resulting 6 notes can be arranged in 3 groups of 2 or 2 groups of 3. The contradiction between these 2 rhythmic ideas is called a hemiola, and there are many hemiolas in Lady Nevell's Ground. Here's an example. Further exploring this idea of 2 and 3, the next section begins with beats divided in half. Later, the beats are divided into thirds. This speeds up the frequency of notes, or surface rhythm, without affecting the harmonic rhythm, and it's one of the main characteristics of 16th century music. The last statement of the ground begins with well-defined chords. Toward the end, beats are divided into quarters for the first time in this piece, and the ground ends in a flurry of 16th notes combined with clear chords. Although it's carefully worked out, Lady Nevell's Ground has its roots in improvisation, and it gives musicians of our time meaningful insight into the way musicians improvised in the 1500s. There's a link to my recording of the whole piece in the description below. If you like this video, please like and subscribe. I hope you'll join me next time. Bye for now.